Right, we've got a 2019 BMW X5 in for the SOS Fault. Now, customer recently bought this vehicle and it had this issue pretty much when he bought it, and it was supposed to have been fixed. So, and it's still not fixed actually, because he's getting the SOS fault and we're getting no communication with the telematics box. So what we're going to do is see what they've changed and check if we've got any power on ground at the module. Let me get this stripped down and let's see what's going on with it. Right, I believe we have found the fault. We've done a few of these now. So the telematics module lives up there. I'll show you. Up there. Clips into that. Right. So we've come to open it, and this is what we found. Corrosion. Don't know if you can see that properly. Right. There's corrosion there, and inside it, obviously it's a bit blurry. And the battery's got corrosion on it. Normally what happens is that aerial there seeps water through the sealant, and when the aerial leaks water through, this is connected directly underneath it. I can't open this to check it, but I'm going to have to get authorization for the warranty company. Oh, actually somebody's already opened it, to be fair. So I'll get this stripped down and we'll see what's going on inside it. But yeah, it's going to need a new ATM module, programming and coding, and then maybe some fuses that are blown. So what I'm going to do, I'll open that, let's see if we can find any more corrosion, and then we'll have to leave it here with this one until we get a new module and come back to it. Beautiful corrosion there. We've got corrosion all over here. You know, I hope this is clear, because when I'm looking for the screen it doesn't look very clear. But yeah, it needs a new module regardless. Somebody's opened it. I'm guessing they've tried to fix it or clean it or whatever they want to do. Pointless. So yeah, he needs a new module. He needs coding in, maybe a couple of fuses, and that will get the sat nav working again, and the SOS error will be gone as well. So they're going to put this back in the car and wait to see what the warranty company wants to do. Okay, so we are back with this X5 that needs a new telematics module, and you got to buy the battery separate. Rip-offs. The battery goes in there, and that's where it connects to the aerial. And we've got the SOS failure there, and let's see, the maps should be in nowhere because it's not picking up. So I'm just going to get this fitted. I'm going to check if there's any water at the minute because it's been raining the past couple of days, and then the customer's going to have to get their antenna fixed from somewhere else because it's a ball ache of a job. Right, we've got signal, and that's the ATM telematics module fitted and programmed. We had to take it outside the unit because we couldn't get no signal and the maps weren't showing up. But yeah, this is all back on now. No more fault codes related to the telematics module or even the SOS module. Let's have a look here. There's nothing showing up there. So all we've got to do now is close the headliner back up and give the car back to the customer. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.